So there's a bird in our house. Where's it at?
Please have your dad get it out. Please get it out. I don't want it shitting all over the place.
I think it's dead.
Oh
my God.
Get it before it shits all over the house.
Hey, relax.
Just open the chimney. Who opened the chimney?
Dad.
Why?
Oh my God.
It's gonna poop all over the place.
Looks like a big moth.
Dad, oh my God.
Mom's scared. Oh my God.
No, that's a mama.
Think so?
Yeah, the baby ones are like half that size.
Yeah.
Sydney. They're gonna break another ceiling fan. Yeah, Dad. Turn it off. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan.
Where's that thing though?
Do we need to get John in over here?
Yeah, call him.
Call him, Mom.
Dad, get the bird.
Where is it?
I don't know.
I can punch with a hammer.
It's
You gonna punch the bird with a hammer?
Yeah.
Just throw something up there
Hit it with a
and it's gonna
hammer.
fly over here. Let's go to this side. Dad, no.
What was it that you opened up the chimney? I wanted to see how many were in there. Okay, well, you see now. We were gonna take it. Where is it?
Move.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Probably broke his wing or something.
My heart is beating so fast.
Guys, open the door. Open the door.
Can I zoom in on it?
Don't go outside.
Okay, right there.
Come on, Dad. Come to
Here, Brad, you want to see him?
No. No.
You want to see him, Brad?
No.
Turn the light on.
No.
Come look at the little bird. Don't be such a sissy. Come look at him. Dude, relax. Come
Dad, throw it out the window.
look at the bird. You're such a sissy.
She's not a sissy. We're just screaming and running.
You can't see. Oh.
It's gonna fly back into the chimney. Yeah, it will. It'll go right back in the chimney where its nest is.
This is where the fucking creepy birds are. So we have a chimney, right? And birds are in there. Right? Oh, crud nuggets. You can't see it.
What are you talking about, Sydney?
I'm talking to the camera. That's the chimney. I'm scared. My heart is beating. My heart is fried. You want to close the chimney, Dad? Wait.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, close it back.
No! In the chimney. Don't hurt too bad. I think they all do well. Oh, my throat hurts. So does mine.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Why were you crying? Hey, Bradley, why were you crying?
I wouldn't cry. I'm trying to punch him.
You're trying to punch him? Let me see.
Yeah.
That was some nice bird playing, Dad.
Bird slayer. Going out for a spy.
I was scared. I was standing right there and